Phipps meets Tuasui, bulldozering his way through, and he scored. He has been massive all match, and now he has a try to show. Should do from this one.
It's a lovely finish, I've got to say. Really good, patient from London Irish. And then it's Augustine Creevy for me who really injects that tempo into the game. Pick from the base, offload.
Jeloncha, une passe incroyable d'Anthony Jeloncha, l'action qui rebondit avec Botitou maintenant. Bon, la défense pas vraiment bien organisée qui laisse de l'espace à Botitou. Et attention, Botitou, il va au bout. Botitou, lui, le joueur de rugby.
Botitou, là, il a plusieurs défenseurs sur le dos. Regardez, il passe entre deux défenseurs. Il utilise son raffut pour s'écarter du retour à Genet. Le prochain intérieur, il élimine le premier défenseur. Il passe entre deux à Genet. Il se sert de son bras pour écarter.
Randall now putting width on the ball. Here goes Randrandra! When you need the spark, up he pops. Fiji's finest. A treasure for Bristol.
Big statement made as well. Really building it, wait for your opportunity. The penalty advantage came. Another brilliant line by Randrandra there. Splits the defence. And of course he's got the strength to go over. Simmons again, can't quite make that tackle.
52e minute, Pessiliato est servi en bout de ligne au terme d'une très longue séquence de jeu.
Another surge, this time from Peterson. Flood. Here's an opportunity, tremendous play from Withoki who gets the try. Good soft hands there from Toby Flood. Withoki getting through, the tackles missed. First one there from Callum Sheedy. Piers O'Connor.